Take a ride in the 2025 Legacy. The Subaru Legacy offers a roomy interior and a dynamic drive you feel every second you're in the driver's seat. It's a refreshing alternative to the alternatives. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, LED headlights, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers, Bluetooth. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.